This is question number one. We're doing adding or subtracting algebraic expressions, and you would know it's adding or subtracting because you see this one parenthesis right here, another parenthesis right there, and there's a subtraction sign in between. So this is a subtraction part of the review. Okay, so the first thing that is really important here is that you know that there is this minus sign, and the number in front of your second parenthesis, you don't really see a number, so you have to assume that there's a one in there. Okay, and so that means you have to distribute that negative one on the second parentheses. Okay. So now, but the first parentheses, you only have no number. So that means it's ones. Technically, you're multiplying positive one on the two terms inside the first parentheses. And so one times any number will be just that number. Okay, and then 1 times 3 is that. And then the second one is the important one because it's a negative one. So when you multiply it with each and every term of the second parenthesis, you will get a negative sign, opposite sign. So I'm going to have 4x minus 3x squared minus 5. Okay, and so now we're ready to combine like terms. So all the x squareds you will combine, all the x's you'll combine, and all the constants you'll combine. Okay, so let's do it from highest to lowest exponent. So you have the one underline, you have 12x squared minus 3. So remember the sign goes with it. So now you will have 9x squared, and then all the x's, negative 3, negative 4, and that's it. That's the only one, negative 4x. And then 3 minus 5, you have negative 2. So that's it for this one. That's the simplified version. Now I'm going to give you a second example that you can work on. Now sometimes you will have something like this. 12, let's say 12x squared plus 3x plus 4x plus 3x squared plus 5. Okay? So this is one example. The second one is 12x squared plus 3x minus 4x plus 3x squared plus 5. Number three example is 12x squared plus 3x parenthesis 4x plus 3x squared plus 5. Okay, and the last one is 12x squared plus 3, oops, divided by 4x plus 3x squared plus 5. So the reason I'm writing this is because I want you guys to be mindful of what is the operation between the two parentheses. So the first one is addition, right? The second one is subtraction. Even though they all look the same, you kind of need to really understand what's the operation in between. The next one is multiplication, and then the last one is division. So this two has the same process, this two has the same process. Okay? And here you add the same terms, this one you actually have to do the multiplication. All right, so I hope this helps. If you want to try another example, answer number one because that's similar to this problem right here.